Welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some air fryer bacon wrap jalapeno poppers. Now I did say jalapeno poppers, so you got to get you some jalapenos. Now we're going to core these jalapenos because that membrane is where the heat's at. Now you want to shred you some cheese, about a cup's worth, or you can get store-bought. That's perfectly fine. Now we got some cream cheese, and it has to be soft because you need to work with it. Going in with a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, and then we hitting it with a little bit of pepper. And you know, you can't go wrong with pepper, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Then we're gonna hit it with a pinch of salt, and then we're gonna incorporate all of these ingredients together. Now we're going to take our jalapenos and then we're going to fill these bad boys, and you can use a spoon or you can use a piping bag. Whatever makes it easier for you, then definitely do that. Hitting it with a little bit of BBQ Rub, and now you know we got to hit it with that bacon, right? Now you got to use a toothpick so you can hold that bacon, and then we're going to place these bad boys in the air fryer. But before we do, we're going to hit it with a little bit more of that BBQ Rub. Now we're going in the air fryer, 400 degrees. Now we're going to take this about 12 minutes. Now you can take these jalapenos as long as you like. The crispiness of the bacon, that's what you would determine, right? 12 minutes, perfect for me. And as you can see, those right there, looks absolutely delicious. All right, so there you have it. You got your air fried bacon wrap jalapeno poppers. Now you already know what we got to do is we got to give it that classic taste test right there. Look at that. We go ahead and remove that toothpick from it, and then we got that ranch dressing that we're gonna dip it in. Now that's amazing right there. I'm going for a second bite of that. All right, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. And for the people that's been rolling with me for a while, you already know what we about to do. We about to smash into these air fried bacon wrap jalapeno poppers, and we'll see you guys later.